Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisa Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Thabo Cele ugeneral walaphana ku-midfield e-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ukhulumile ukuthi ama-results wabo awekho good in recent games, akusiyo ama-result lawa bebawafuna bona as i-Kaizer Chiefs. But-ke uthi is looking forward to i-opportunity yokuthi badlale ku-CAF ne-Cabo Scope i-team yalena e-Angola. Obviously-ke balidwa 1-0 laphana kumele ba-equalize and then bawine igame bakora amagoli kangcono-ke. Uthi bayazi ukuthi kumele ba-improve kakhulu, but into ebaluleke kakhulu ukuthi bona njengoba babuyile e-Afrika kubhola lase-Afrika, uthi ku-important ukuthi bona ba-advance baye kuma-final we-CAF Confederations Cup and baluwine i-trophy. Strong kakhulu kwamagama akhe bafethu Cele, sobona ukuthi bazokwazi ukufollow upha baye all out ngempela. I mean masibheka overall i-mission le enkulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bawine i-CAF Confederations Cup-ke. They are on a mission, but-ke kunzima bafethu ukudlala kuma-CAF competitions because mentally you have to be strong in order to compete kulawo ma-cup competition. Njengoba ucela athi bafuna ukuyiwina kanje, I mean maybe is putting more pressure kubo as i-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean masibheka le statement lesakacele si-strong ngempela. I'm not sure if maybe izinto kumele azisho public, but at the same time if you believe in yourself, you have to say those things in public and uyibheke up inkulumo yakho, ukwazi ukuyimela inkulumo yakho. Same thing lento eyashiwo uDubu ukuthi bazoyiwina ilokhunjana i-Nedbank Cup and he backed that thing, inkulumo yakhe ngokuthi asebenze kanzima alwe laphana inside the field of play, amake sure ukuthi abanye abantu benza amaphutha and then capitalize on those mistakes. So I think into yokuqala la esingayinothisa noma esingayisho ukuthi ucele uya-admit ukuthi ama-results we-Kaizer Chiefs awekho right, abenzi kahle. So yizo izinto okumele ba-improve kuzo going forward in terms of like getting better results. But-ke masibheka overall ukuthi what is the main cause ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ingatholi ama-results. I mean we can look at i-defense yabo at the moment ukuthi injani i-defense yabo. Siyazi ukuthi every game bazobakora, siyazi ukuthi every game bazoba-expose. How can they stabilize that defense? Because baqale kahle kakhulu isizini, they had the best defense in the league by far in terms of not conceding the goals, in terms of making sure that bayavala ngempela laphana emuva. The goalkeeper uPeterson wabo be-make sure ukuthi is continuing a good run yokuthi angashawa amagoli overall. So i-defense kumele ibe stable. Kunama-question marks around i-defense ye-Kaizer Chiefs. Inacho Miguel yena as i-leader, as i-captain, ukuthi uyakwazi na ukucontrola i-back four yakhe, ukumake sure ukuthi akungeni lutho, because you need to have a powerful back four, and then ukwazi ukukhavelana. Bayakhavelana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, angifuni ukuqamba amanga, but they get exposed especially because bafuna uku-attack left back, ama-wing back wethu bafuna uku-attack ngawo. Uthole ukuthi when they go forward bayakhohlwa kancane and then the defense gets stretched nyana. So for example, if uMako uzohamba and then baluse ibhola babashaya nge-counter and then side lakhe seli-expose, ulokhunjana sithi kudlala uMcCarthy lapha ku-central left back, ku-central on the left hand side, i-central left, yeah, lowo position leyo. If kumele ayokhavela ulokhunjana uMago and then kuvuleka isikhala la ku-back four, noma ngithi ku-central kuvuleka isikhala sokushoda yena, and then if bahlakaniphile le team le bazokwazi uku-capitalize and then ba-expose leso space leso fast and then bashaye i-counter e-fast. So it's one of those things okumele ba-introduce, ba-limit. Same thing le ka-Frost. Frost is able to go forward but tracking back uye kumuntu-ke lo onenkinga-ke e-serious ukuthi he goes forward, they lose the ball, he's tracking back but-ke akanayo i-awareness kakhulu, is easily beaten. Lelo side bazo-target-a, I think they will try and target that side. Sibonile badlala nema-Rumo Gallants ba-target-a i-side lakhe, babonile ukuthi sort of i-freeway in a way, baplana nje around i-side lakhe. But yeah, naye uFrostler if given a chance ukuthi adlale, kumele ngempela amisele because uThabiso Munyane uzoyi-owner i-right back, or maybe is it time ukuthi kubizwe uSolomonzi Is he well equipped naye ukuthi angayiqinisa i-defense ye-Kaizer Chiefs especially laphana ku-right back ukuthi akungeni lutho aye phambili akwazi ukurecover ngoba unayo low pace but yileyo intelligence njenyana elekayo and then angakwazi ngempela ukulungisa izinto ze-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean i-confidence yokuthi kumele bafike kuma-final and then bayiwine i-trophy I think is very important ukuthi uma udlala any competition ukuthi udlalele ukuyiwina i-competition noma bakushaya first round but ungene ku-competition ufuna ukuyiwina. Awungeni ku-competition vele uthi hayi thina sazi ukuthi kuzokwenzekani Nkosi yami sozama nje ukudlala sobona phambili. No, you have to enter the competition with the belief that you can win it, otherwise hlala endlini ungayidlali naleyo competition. So it's a great thing ukuthi ucele uyasho ukuthi bafuna ukufika bona kuma-final bafuna ukuyiwina kusho ukuthi badlalela ukuyiwina but ilokhu njani ama-cup competitions awawinwa ngomlomo awawinwa ku-media uwawina egrawundini and ama-performances wenu it shows ukuthi you guys have a chance to win or you don't have a chance to win. So if judging by how Kaizer Chiefs played a couple of days, they will never win the CAF Confederations Cup. They have to win namhlanje and then build from lapho. If they can play as a unit, they can play as a team. They can play as a team engakwazi to come from behind because at times when they are behind bayapanika. If they can try to minimize ukupanika bazokwazi ngempela ukudlala kangcono ocele. The midfield is forever changing. You never know who will start. You can never predict who will start. Cele is on the bench. Uthi uyabheka Gaston Sirino noMduduzi Shabalala siyazi ukuthi iqalo yedwa. So it's first 11 yabo is very unpredictable. When you wanna win championships, when you wanna win things, kumele usazi starting 11 sakho. Ube ne-starting 11 yakho wazi ukuthi okay laba bawu-11 yibo abantu engibathembayo 1. Mengekho lo ngimreplace ngalo, mengekho lo ngimreplace ngalo. So i-Kaizer Chiefs yona masiyibheka overall bafethu ayinaso i-starting 11, azikakabi naso. Abantu esishonga even ne-left back asazi ukuthi bazoqala uMako-ke ku-injured, so I think we have an idea ukuthi bangaqala ngo-Cross but asithi ama-left back available uMako no-Cross asazi ukuthi bazoqala ngobani. Last game sibone baqala ngabo bawu-2. Normally they would start 1, so you can never know ukuthi ku-left back kuzodlala bani ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Ku-midfield awazi ukuthi uzoqala umthetho in a way recent games is guaranteed ukuthi uzoqala and then phambi kwabo awazi ukuthi kuzoqala uNdlovu, uNgcobo, uCele awazi ngempela ukuthi uzoqala bani na ku-number 10 awazi ukuthi kuzoqala bani. Kuzoqala uMduku, kuzoqala uSirino bazomfaka ezi-wing. Ku-number 9 ezi-striker abaka-decide ukuthi i-striker kuzoba ubani. Yes, ezinye i-strikers zi-injured azikaka-recovery, abanye abantu kumanye ama-department abaka-recovery, so they are lacking that depth but they have equality but i-bravado persona laphana inside the field of play bafethu into esifuna ukuyibona ukuthi bazokwazi na ukuphusha as i-team because I mean you can lose. Losing it's not a problem, it's a game, it's sport game, it's a win or lose, but how do you lose? Do you lose because you didn't give enough? Do you lose because nje uyenza nje there's no hunger, I mean i-desire to win, to succeed, to get ama-results because uma umbukela umuntu uyambona ukuthi lo muntu uyafuna ukudlala and then uma umbukela omunye uyabona ukuthi hayi lo ayikho indaba yakhe akamisele because you have to be there, you have to be alert. Kumele umisele if i-team izokwazi ukuthola ama-results overall. uCele yes ukhuluma kahle in terms of ukuthi ufuna ukuthi i-team iwine. I mean he's one of the leaders in terms of ama-midfielders but-ke naye u-on and off asazi ukuthi uyaqala ebhentshini or uqala ebhentshini or uzoqala as a-first 11. So what if umuntu one-confidence kakhulu usebhentshini? Yeah, but-ke we'll see ukuthi bazo-line up kanjani. uNdlovu akekho, uMako akekho. Yeah, i-midfield yabo izoba very interesting but banama-midfielders amaningi angakwazi ukuvala lesi sikhala lesi. I mean i-confidence kaCele inga-inspire i-team yonke overall or ingayibeka under pressure ukuthi uCele sekhulume ne-media ukuthi bafuna ukuwina i-CAF Confederations Cup. Strike back nje kancane bafethu. Kaizer Chiefs inayo experience yaku-continental level. 2021 bafika kuma-final la badliwa khona uPitso Mosimane ku-Al Ahly but the Continental Trophy has I think back in 2001 or 2 lapho bake bayiwina le competition le ngathi iyo le impela le abayidlalayo but beyingakabizwa legama leli. But-ke that was long time ago. Almost like in a memory abantu abayikhumbuli, especially the younger generation. They wanna see Kaizer Chiefs conquering the African continent currently at the moment with the squad that they have. Not le yakudala. Well, history is very important. Finally, the same thing they do like Orlando Pirates. Abanye bathi, okay, Orlando Pirates in a star. The young generation, they didn't see that star. They wanna see them winning manje. At least bawine manje bababone. Yeah, you can't just hide it behind the history. You have to perform manje. Even if you don't win the championship, but perform, try and perform. Yeah, i-challenge enkulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ukuthi bawine, but-ke the most important thing for i-Kaizer Chiefs i-redemption yabo ukuthi bazi-re-establish as ama-super power. South Africa ama-super power, yes. But-ke ebholeni lase-Africa, nobody cares about them. They have themselves to blame and they have to perform for the team. I mean, i-first leg masibuyela ku-first leg laphana bafethu e-Angola, they didn't play well at all. They played ngathi badlalela i-draw. Yeah, and they conceded a silly goal they were not supposed to concede. I think coming with at least kuyi-0-0 bekuzoba ngconywana, but-ke le team le ine-advantage yakora kuphelile ngempela because Kaizer Chiefs would need 3 goals. Second leg FNB Stadium, I mean Kaizer Chiefs, they have to go all out. There's nothing to lose. They have to there's nothing to defend that match as a team. They can't defend. They can't start the game maybe defensively baqale ngabantu abawu-7 aba-defensive. They have to start ngabantu aba-offensive kakhulu, abantu abaziyo ukuthi bazo-approach i-game differently, abantu abaziyo ukuthi bazoba-create-ela ama-opportunities, abantu abaziyo ngempela ukuthi potentially they could score 2 goals. Yabona if bangashaya 2 goals first half, it's possible ukuthi bashaye lawo magoli, but-ke mentally are they ready, fit to deliver for the team? Lawa ma-question ayo-answereka when the game starts ngo-3 to 5, lo 2 hours leyo siyobona ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs iyimisele kanjani. I mean, amasibheka ama-key players, abantu abangaba ama-key player for i-Kaizer Chiefs, at the back they have to be rock solid. Bano-Inacho Miguel, uKwinika, asazi ukuthi uzoqala uKwinika or uMcCarthy, but they need a physique more than anything kule game lena. Yeah, it's not gonna be easy. Ku-midfielder, yabo, that is why ngisho ukuthi unpredictable i-lineup e-Kaizer Chiefs, very unpredictable. So you never know who will start, but i-defense, I think they will start with Inacho Miguel. Akumelanga enza amaphutha laphana. UPeterson uye kumele ebe laphana emuva as ugoalkeeper wabo, goalkeeper number 1 at the moment. Laphana phambili i-striker asazi ukuthi bazoqala ngubani, but kuno Silva oqalile igame last week kuyo i-CAF competition. They need i-aggression vele umuntu ozolwa. There's no way badlale mhlampe nge-striker esinganamzimba. Sad thing uMayo akekho. Potentially-ke singabona uSheslett, maybe u-Ighodaro, asazi i-fitness yakhe ukuthi but siyambona uyajima ne-team, but yeah, u-Ighodaro even if uyadlala mhlawumbe uzodlala isikhathi esincane because i-fitness level yakhe akekafiki that much. Well, i-technical approach ukuthi kumele ba-attack heavy or babheke, but yeah, they need a goal. They need a goal first half to to give that thing ukuthi bazokompitha ngempela, hayi indaba yokudlala. So yeah, first half kumele bashaye igoli, bahluleke ukushaya igoli first half, and then kuzoba nama-questions azobuzwa ukuthi if you guys don't score first half, second half nisifaka under pressure too much manje ukuthi you have to chase the game. At the same time you are chasing the game, kumele futhi ucabange ukuthi you also have to defend. So score first half, wehlise i-pressure kancane, and then-ke ubabone second half. Nayenye i-question-ke before ngivala bafowethu ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ifaka enkingeni na ngokuthi ibe ne-media kakhulu, because njalo ku-Kaizer Chiefs kuba ne-media, i-media presence ku-Kaizer Chiefs is-strong. Each and every week bane-media presence, banama-conference laphana eNaturena before i-game kukhulunywa nge-media. kunama-updates amaningi about ama-players ukuthi ubani o-injured, ubani available, ubani ongekho available, ama-training reports. I-media iyabona laphana natural ukuthi kutraina bani, ubani ubuyile, ubani akekho akatrainanga ne-team, kusho ukuthi ngeke adlale. Already i-media iyaripota overall lezo zinto lezo. So it's easy to research nge-Kaizer Chiefs. I think i-South Africa the easiest team esinga-research-a ngayo i-Kaizer Chiefs. Why? Because i-media is forever present ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I-media iya kuma-training we-Kaizer Chiefs njalo. By the way, ukuthi abantu they don't notice, i-media iyanjalo, i-media ku-SABC iyanjalo ku-training yaku-Kaizer Chiefs. Ibone ukuthi kudlala obani abafit, obani abangekho fit, obani abajimayo, obani abangajimi. Even if, and then ama-coaches we-Kaizer Chiefs they give ama-reports to i-media. Lawa-ke abantu abaningi abawabonayo ukuthi okay, ubani ukuphi, and then they have to answer those questions, and then bayasho ukuthi ubani ulimele, ubani. So ama-teams already through i-media ayakwazi ukuplana ahead, bayazi ukuthi Marco akekho lo speedy left back okwazi uku-operate as i-wing back futhi alokhu aye phambili, so they can plan better. Maybe-ke they have to minimize that thing, but at the same time angithi bakhulisa i-brand yabo as i-Kaizer Chiefs. That is why kumele babe visible, babe ku-media more than any other South African team. Well, it's important for their brand and to be visible, to always be there, but at the same time ukuthi everything yaku-Kaizer Chiefs iyaziwa. That's a bit of a problem. Cause mawubheka iMamelodi Sundowns o-Orlando Pirates iyayivulela i-media, but-ke kwesinye isikhathi nje banokuyi-blue tick i-media, bangayivuli, ungazi nix nge-Orlando Pirates. So ku-Kaizer Chiefs ku-easy ukuthi ube kwamanye ama-team ku-easy ukuthi baplane better and bakwazi ukufihla into zakhona, because ezinye izinto kuba ama-surprise, whereas ku-Kaizer Chiefs yonke into iba nje biggest news in the country. But izinto mhlawumbe kumele ba-minimize, balungise. They have to welcome the media, but at the same time bakwazi ukufihla ezinye izinto. I mean, they're not obligated to tell the media what's happening ngama-players wabo njalo. They're not. They can even lie so that ama-teams aba-surprise isikhathi esiningi. They can say i-team yethu yonke ikhona, and then after the game usibani bambone ngekho bathi ulimale just before i-game. So zonke izinto lezo zinto ukubhalansa nabo kumele bahlakaniphe ngempela, hayi ukuthi bavele basho everything ku-media. Ama-team akwazi ukuplana a week before, I know, ngoba lento le expose ama-weakness yabo, and then it gives ama-opponents too much information, and then it distracts ama-player. They have to escalate back to maybe i-press briefings, lawa amancane, hayi lawa amakhulu. So I mean, before sisoyivala-ke bafethu, masibheka i-presence ye-media ibalulekile obvious, njengoba bengishilo bafethu ukuthi i-platform yabo, but at the unnecessary pressure. Imagine ama-player amasha ayazifela i-Kaizer Chiefs utrainer phambi kwamakhamera ayi-20. So that's just the reality of i-Kaizer Chiefs. The media presence is too much, but-ke njengoba ngishilo bakhulisa i-brand yabo. Ama-player already under scrutiny, under pressure from ama-fans nama-legends. One mistake u-Kaizer Chiefs out, i-media presence yabo, it means that, you know, it's easy for the fans to get to you because they know everything. They know that you're training, what's happening. But sithemba ukuthi bazolungisa iy'nkinga zabo, but akusiyinkinga. I-media presence ibalulekile ngithi ukukhulisa i-brand yabo, but-ke to what extent kumele ba-minimize kuphi, balungise kuphi, bayi-welcome, bakhathe kuphi ezinye izinto, babe ne-strategy, hayi ukuthi bavele nje bakhulume everything ku-media. Ngoba ku-Kaizer Chiefs uhlezi under i-microscope. So imishini-ke isimple ku-Kaizer Chiefs, it's not just ukuthi bayiwine i-CAF Confederations Cup, but-ke kumele nje badlale kahle ebholeni lase-Afrika ukuthi ba-restore i-dominance yabo overall ku-South African football, ne-authority nje ukuthi bayi-Kaizer Chiefs. So I mean, if bangakwazi ukuwina i-CAF, I mean that would be massive, but they have to start step by step, deal with one match at the time, and lungisa iy'nkinga zakho, unga-aim too high. Aimela with the next game, take one game at the time, and then you'll see where you can get. And obviously ama-player kumele a-account we-Kaizer Chiefs if they've been playing below pair, bangadlali kahle. They have to account, they have to answer those questions ukuthi why bangadlali kahle, hayi ukuthi kube ne-sense of arrogance from bona ama-player. If you haven't performed for some time, you have to answer for that ukuthi why, and then u-reflect overall. Before ngivala, i-Kaizer Chiefs njengoba ucela ukuthi bafuna ukuwina i-CAF Confederations Cup, bangaya all the way, bangakwazi ukufika ku-semi-final or ku-final or kuma-group stages, because ya kumele bakwazi ukuphumelela namhlanje. But sozibamba la bafowethu okwamanje. Danko, cela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe, making sure ukuthi le page ilifika ku-15,000 subscribers. Danko bafowethu.